Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you wish though, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!